Hey there guys, welcome to Villa YouTube. We got a new project going on here in Mexico, Merida, Yucatan. Check it out. Our construction materials have arrived here at Villa YouTube. We got gravel and stone dust, got cement, we got blocks, we got some rebar, and we're starting on a new project. Completely new project here at the house. Gonna be building a platform for the pool. So let me head down there. I got to carry everything to the back. I was just having a nap here at Villa YouTube, Mexico. Head downstairs. And we're gonna carry everything to the back. Everything to the back. All the materials. Here are the materials. We've got the gravel. Oh, they got steel rods. Make sure they don't scratch the car. Buenas tardes, sí. That's gravel, that's stone dust, concrete blocks, regular blocks. Cool. Head down the little alley here to the back. Here in the backyard, yeah, we are going to build a platform. Sí, allá está bien. Build a platform for the pool. Here is the pool, check it out. But you see the pool it's above ground pool. And so we didn't like that style. So here's the pool. And then we're going to be building a platform all of this here. So we're gonna have a stairs going up, platform here so you could sit up here, jump into the pool, easy in and out. This whole area here will have a platform. That way we want to sit up here, it's easy to sit up here. Jump into the pool. Oh, I gotta get some leaves out. Easy. Gonna have a little barbecue grill, little bar. Gonna be awesome. The materials are all arriving. Now I gotta get carried in by hand. Bag by bag by bag. Stone dust and gravel. Blocks and cement. This here is the stone dust. Gotta mix with the concrete. Okay. Mix that in. Instead of sand, they use stone dust here. And these guys are doing it one by one. It's a lot of work. They are starting carrying the cement now. You gotta watch how these guys do it. We got the stone dust over there. The gravel, sacks of gravel are gonna be coming in there in a little bit. Look at this guy. This guy is carrying 2 sacks of cement. 2 sacks. Each sack of cement is like 50 kilos. There you go. 50 kilos. And he's carrying 2 at once. Everybody else is carrying 1 sack. So we're piling them here under the roof. So just in case it rains. It hasn't rained in a while, but you never know, right? So each sack is over 100 pounds. And the guy carrying 2 sacks at once. Now they're starting to carry in the blocks. Look at that, they're carrying 4 blocks on the shoulder. That's how they're doing it all. 4 blocks at a time. Oh, the gravel is here already. I didn't notice that. Yeah, here's the gravel. Here's the stone dust. Everything here. 4 blocks at a time. Here's some rebar. I think there's some more coming. They're probably tying it off still. Piling up the blocks here. Wow. That's gonna be the platform here next to the pool. It's gonna be awesome. Look at this, guys. He's now coming with 5 blocks and he's jogging on top of that. He's running. Do you think you could do that? Let me know in the comments. 5 of these blocks on your shoulder all at once. That is just crazy. Another truck just arrived. Got beams, got blocks. Wow. Gonna be a big project. Yesterday afternoon, a truck came by with more blocks. These are the blocks to floor the platform. See, they lay on these beams. So I brought these blocks here, and they brought these beams. That's what the blocks lay on for the floor. Here we go, guys. The work has begun. Everything is beginning. They're mixing some cement here. This power outlet, since the floor is going to come right here, we're going to raise it up a little higher, so the floor will be right here. Here they are starting to stick blocks where the beams will be laying on. Gonna be cool. It's coming along really, really good. I just finished cleaning the pool. You know, I used my net with a long stick, get out some leaves. There were some leaves and some flowers from that waya tree right there that were floating on top, so I skimmed them out. The bottom needs a little more cleaning, but I have a pool vacuum coming in, should be here in about a week. And the block sticking is coming good. This here is my skimmer net. And guys, they're sticking blocks. Getting the leveling hose ready. Everything going good.